Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. Whenever you come across any YouTube videos related to your research in YouTube, so if you want to need the summarized version of that particular content which is discussed in that particular YouTube video, so you can use AI tool to convert your YouTube videos into summarized text. And the important thing is that you can also chat with that particular content, so you can ask questions, what are the questions or what are the doubts related to that particular video you want, then AI will generate better answer for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to model design values, design calculations of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation with that particular converters, and then we are going to connect it with PV and wind energy as sources. So after that, we are going to use this converters for our application. So in this workshop, we are going to connect it with the electric vehicle charging station, and then we are going to analyze the response of the converter. So this is the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to give different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and we are going to analyze that how this ChatGPT will be very helpful for our research content preparation. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that YT Summarizer. So here you can log in with your mail ID. So after that, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So here you can see paste any YouTube video link. So you can copy and paste the YouTube video link. So here what are the important features available in this YT Summarizer is that you can get instant summaries. So harness the power of advanced AI to extract concise relevant summaries from any YouTube video instantly. So next one is interactive AI chat. Engage in a dynamic conversation with your videos. Ask questions and get instant responses that help you understand complex topics. Next is safe and secure. So your security is paramount. We take industry standard security measures and also fully compliant with GDPR and other private laws. So this is about this laws. Here these are the two important things we are going to discuss. So in order to explore this particular YT Summarizer, so I am going to take this random video. So this is a random video from our channel. It's an explanation of a MATLAB simulation of 15 kilowatt off-grid PV system. So here this is the explanation, this is the video. So what you can do is you can copy the URL here. So copy that link of the video. So after you can go to that YT Summarizer, paste that particular link. So after that you can select the summary length whatever you want. So here you can see short, medium and long. So here I am going to select it as medium. So and then you can click summarize. So let us see, yes, our summary is converted within seconds. So here you can see that this is the summary of the video, and also if you want you can see the transcript of that particular video also. That is transcript is the explanation of that particular video, and you can get the summary of the video. So here you can get this in summary of this video instantly in seconds. So after that, the important thing is that you can ask whatever the questions you want. So accordingly it will generate answer for us. So I am going to ask, so as I have already familiar with this particular model, so I am going to ask what is the use of buck converter. So here, so in this particular off-grid network, so you will be having a PV panel and then a battery connected to it through an DC to, that is DC to DC converter, buck converter. So here you can see that. So the buck converter, the need for buck converter is generated. The buck converter used to context to step down the voltage from 750 to battery voltage. So here that is the use of a buck converter, because it it reduces, step down that input voltage into a constant output DC voltage. So here we are going to connect PV with our battery. So in order to charge the battery, so we are in need to make a constant voltage across that particular battery, that is battery input voltage. Hence so you can get a constant DC voltage. So here the buck converter operation will be explained briefly. So based upon the PV voltage, the buck converter generates a duty cycle to the power generator. So this is how the explanation of the block diagram, the buck converter question we have asked for will be generated. So after that I am going to ask another question. So when battery supplies power to the load, so let us see how this question answer will be generated for this question. I have asked when battery supplies power to the load. So here the battery supplies power to the load under the following condition. The PV system is connected to the battery for charging during the day. Next, battery supplies power to both AC and DC loads during the day. Next, PV disconnection. The PV system is disconnected from the system at night. So because when during that is night time, the PV will be, the power of the PV will be 0. So after that what you can do is you have to disconnect your PV system. So only the battery is used to supply power to the DC loads and AC loads at night. So this is how the question will be, that is answer for that particular question will be generated. So like that, whenever you come across any videos, any YouTube videos related to your research, or you can get this kind of that is explanation of a particular system. So here you can see learn MATLAB Simlink. This is our YouTube channel. So here you can see there are the different videos are available, especially related with that is design and analysis of different types of electrical projects. So here you can see that. So if you are interested in, you can see this electrical project. Especially this forum is for renewable energies and e-vehicles especially. So you can get many projects related with that. So if you come across this kind of video, if you want to ask any questions with the video, so you can use this option called YT summarizer to summarize the content. Also you can ask whatever the question, possible question with you. So you can ask to that particular content and you can generate a better answer for your research paper analysis or research, or you can clear your doubts through this YT summarizer also. So you can make use of this option to make this YT summarizer very better, and you can analyze your that is YouTube videos which is most relevant to your research paper. So you can analyze that videos also very better using this YT summarizer. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.